So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is early Friday morning. I'm just getting ready to leave for work. I'm over here at neighbor Cliff's place. If you remember, a few weeks back we cleared a whole bunch of trees out of here for a new swimming pool. Well, they're going to be putting the pool in today. They should have everything done but the concrete, but it's going to be filled with water and everything by the end of today. I think it's like 15 by 40, something like that. They'll be digging it with this Cabelco 160. Melissa's going to come over with some other cameras later on when they set the pool. But yeah, might be an interesting video. We'll see.
Some jeans and my boots, and then it's time to make that morning drive. Work all day till I'm totally beat, get back home and fall right to sleep. Alarm goes off in the morning and the cycle's complete. Work, sleep, repeat. Seems like yesterday I was 17, running bootlegs and draws and screens. Now I'm running up debt and I'm scrambling to make ends meet. So work, sleep, repeat. Sleep, repeat. Sometimes at work I just sit around and fantasize about how I could save myself from dying in this working life. And that alarm goes off again at 4:45. and rub the sleep from my eyes. Throw on a shirt and some jeans and my boots, and then it's time to make that morning drive. Yeah, work, sleep, that's all I ever do anymore. Somewhere up the line I forgot what I was working for. And there goes life, looks like headaches going down for me. All I ever do is work, sleep, repeat. All I ever do is work, sleep, repeat. All I ever do is work, sleep, repeat.
I'll get you flowers waiting around the bend. Baby, let's just pretend. I wanna stay like this forever. I wanna stay right here with you. Wanna stay right here with you. As the rest we fall until it all breaks down. But I need it so I will stay around. When you're all messed up, it's a great relief to be understood. It's a shame Stillwater's right.